Hey, it's B. Welcome back to my channel. So, I was scrolling Pinterest the other day and I found these blue flaming nails. And then I saw these ones, and these ones, and these ones. And then I was like, oh, the design of these ones is nice, but I like the color of these ones. The sharpness of these ones is nice. Sorry, the lighting is really bad here, but I just started off by removing the cuticles. I'm just buffing the nail surface and adding nail prep. Now time for base coat. I'm actually so glad I found these reusable nail forms because there's always so much waste around doing nails, so this is the least I can do to produce less waste. I'm really just trying to do the most, not to create too much waste, and just use anything as multiple times as I can. I think they are not too bad to use either, it just takes a little bit of practice, but I'm soon doing a video just comparing these different nail forms. The only thing I didn't quite get to was my cuticle area, so it came out quite uneven. My thumb turned out really great, you can see the curve is perfect, but the little finger is quite wonky. But after filing, it actually looks pretty good. For the blue color, I'm using Vena Lisa's gel in tone 1612. To mix the color without creating any air bubbles, I'm just rolling it around a couple of times. So I think I did a really good job on matching the color with the inspirational picture. The first layer is going to be really thin, so I just recommend doing that like a couple of times. extra coat of transparent polygel just to get those nails look a little more even. Filing and buffing, they should look much more even. Just to make sure the color is really popping, I'm adding one more coat. For the flaming nail, I'm using the same ibcccndc builder gel that is in tone 3 and is this quite nude beige color. And I made the first polygel layer really thin so it looks like almost a tip. Started to draw the outlines of the flames with this cute pink brush. Flash curing the white color for like 10 seconds and then I can fill in the blue. After first layer it looks kinda light, so I'm just curing for 60 seconds and start the whole process again. For the last layer, I'm doing one more thin coat of this clear polygel. Now top coat and we are finally done. Thank Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you liked my video, and see you in the next one. Bye!